Get that top target.
He's out. He's out.
Now that it's out, even though, look at me, even though there's nothing in there, you can look in there, you can tell, right? There's nothing into it. I want you to hold your hand underneath it, push that button, and catch that, okay? Keep the gun pointing always out there. Is it empty? Okay, make sure, always hold the gun with 2 hands too. Is it empty? Can you verify that? The gun stays pointed down. So from here to here, you look, it's empty. It's verified. No fingers on the trigger, and it's down. This is the laser. So you gotta turn it off.
Let him shoot another. Let him shoot another clip.
So let's start from the beginning. Stand right here. Hard. Keep the gun pointing that away. At all times. Is it in there? Okay. There you go. Now stand where you're going to shoot. Down. There you go. Wrap your fingers up. Tight.
How to shoot the water?
Take time. Take your time to aim. Look through here. Okay? Which that we can teach you that later. Put it up on your shoulder, like I had it. Put that forward, as far as you can go. There you go. Can you move it? You can move that? Okay. Stand right there. Pull the trigger when you're ready. Now pull it back. Do it again.
Take your finger off the trigger.
Yeah, take your finger off the trigger every time. You done with that?
Fire away.